the Urban Development Corporation UDC mandate of making development happen not only includes infrastructure upgrades, but also touching lives through community service. This was evident in May as the team spearheaded and took part in 7 projects in areas of operation through its corporate social responsibility program. As part of its 50th anniversary, 5 parishes were chosen: Kingston, St. Catherine, Portland, St. James, and St. Anne.
We feel that in carrying out our 50th anniversary celebrations, it's important for us to touch a kaleidoscope of projects that reflect our impact on primary and secondary infrastructure and how we have helped to make development happen.
We begin at Sutton Street in downtown Kingston at the Calabar Infant Primary and Junior High School. Works being carried out include repairs to the roof, lighting facility and window replacements, as well as general painting and beautification.
I think Labor Day is an embodiment of people coming out and giving service. It's a selfless ask, but it's something that once done, you just have to keep on doing.
Urban Development Corporation has decided to notice that heroic work, and you've come today to help us to add something to the maintenance of the place.
Principal Josette Leslie expressed gratitude to the UDC for spearheading the project.
It's a very heartwarming, uplifting day for us, and to see that they have come in and to be a part of this wonderful activity. You know, our geographical location, and so we are very happy that the UDC has come on and tried to create an uplifting, stimulating environment for our clientele.
Adding that the 1,180 students and 51 teachers will make full use of the upgraded facilities. Our next stop was in St. Catherine for 3 projects. The Seaford Citizens Association got some much-needed help from the UDC with clearing an open space.
On behalf of the residents, I say thanks. Our intention is to do a major fencing, for if you noticed, at the edge of the Eltra Main Road. So we have to fence across so that when the boys kick ball, it don't go into the road.
Over at the Caymanas Development Company, a subsidiary of the UDC, work was in full swing for the construction of a walkway. And not so far away at the Cumberland Road Health Center, the corporation donated a water tank to assist the institution with storage of the precious commodity. The UDC's contribution to education is long-standing, answering the call to facilitate a comfortable learning environment. The Eltham Basic School in St. Anne received a much-needed facelift, courtesy of the team from the corporation's subsidiary, the St. Anne Development Company. Bathroom fixtures were replaced, windows repaired, partition walls installed, and general painting to all areas, as well as landscaping.
I would just like to say thanks again to UDC family for coming over and really helping us out like this.
Early childhood is a very important aspect to the development of any town, of any community. And as such, we want to ensure that we kind of get them from the start and make our contribution to the foundation of the learning of our children.
We also need to make sure the minds of the children that are here and their environment that they learn in is also enhanced in a way that they can be as productive citizens as they can be when they move on later on in life.
The work continued at the Reach Falls Infant and Primary School in Portland and Leith Primary and Infant in St. James.
I know the benefits that will begin. As a project, they'll be repainting the school, improving infrastructure as it relates to the bathrooms, the classrooms, the fencing of the school, putting in a ramp. So all of those things are welcome and they are requirements under the Early Childhood Commission regulations for registration.
The Urban Development Corporation, contributing to the welfare and educational development of our children. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 876-656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor at Kingston Mall in downtown Kingston.